Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This new year, I'm going to share the recipe of the rainbow cake, which is full of colorful and delicious. The rainbow cake is not only so beautiful, but the cake is so spongy. Look at the colors, friends, and I'm pretty much sure that kids will really enjoy it. To begin with, let's prepare the meringue from the egg whites. I have taken 5 egg whites here and make sure not even single drop of egg yolk in it. Whisk it nicely using an electric beater. Once it turns frothy and doubles in volume, add in the sugar. We have to add sugar little by little and continue beating. Well, our cake will be super spongy since we are separating the egg whites and folding into the cake batter. The egg white and the sugar is beaten well and you'll get a thick mixture like this. Keep this egg white mix aside and we'll move on to the next step. Take 5 egg yolks in a mixing bowl. Beat it slightly and add in the oil. The oil helps to keep the cake moist. So when you refrigerate the cake, it wouldn't harden since this cake has oil in it. Now add in the milk and continue beating. Go some vanilla essence. While making the rainbow cake, always begin by beating the egg white, then continue working with the egg yolk. The egg yolk mix is ready and add it slowly into the egg white and beat well. The sponginess of the cake depends on how well we are beating the egg white. Beat it nicely until everything combines well. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add in maida or all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt and seaweed. The dry ingredients are ready now. Add in the sifted flour into the egg mix and mix it gently. We shouldn't use the electric beater while folding in the flour mix. We have to work on this batter gently so that our cake will be spongy. Do not over mix it while adding in the flour. The rainbow cake batter is ready now. Now divide the batter into 6 equal portions. Each bowl of batter weighed exactly 123 grams. Now I'm adding in the food colors to each of the batter. For violet color, mix red and blue food color. I have added red, yellow, orange, blue, green, violet colors to the cake batter and our rainbow colors are ready now. Each colors of cake batter should be of equal quantity so that our rainbow cake will be of uniform size. I have taken a 6-inch silicone pan which is used to make rainbow cakes. I have 3 baking pans and hence I'll be able to prepare all these cakes in less time. If you're having one 6-inch cake pan also, not a problem. You can bake each cakes one by one and prepare the rainbow cake. It took 10 minutes to bake each of these cakes at 180 degrees Celsius. But the baking time depends on your oven type. Here we go, our beautiful rainbow cakes are ready now. Look at the sponge cake, friends, isn't it so vibrant and colorful? Making rainbow cake is actually fun and do involve if you have kids at home. The cakes are so spongy and even in size. Cool the cake completely before frosting it. Once the cake cools down, you will see a sticky layer and you can remove it by hands if not needed. Place the cake separately so that the colors doesn't get mixed with each other. This is the simple syrup and we'll be soaking the cake with the syrup while frosting. I have mixed 1 cup of hot water with 1/4 cup of sugar. Cool the simple syrup. Here I have taken 2 cups of whipping cream. Actually, I have taken 2 cups of whipping cream and then whipped it. So that's no specific measurement for this whipping cream as well as the simple syrup. Now we are into our final and interesting step, which is the frosting the cake. Let's arrange the cake as per the rainbow pattern. First comes the violet color cake. Soak it with the simple syrup as needed. I have taken the whipping cream in a piping bag so that it will be easy to frost the cake. First comes the cake and then soak it with the simple syrup and cover it with the whipped cream. Repeat the step for each of the colorful cake layers. The rainbow cake will be spongy since we are soaking it with sugar syrup and also we have added oil in it rather than butter. If we add butter means the cake will harden once we refrigerate it, so I always prepare using oil. Apply thin layer of whipped cream since we have so many layers. Well, last year I shared 20 layers of crepe rainbow cake and I'll share the recipe link in the description below. Do prepare this rainbow cake during any festivals or birthday party and this is gonna be a showstopper, friends. Look at it, friends, how beautiful our rainbow cake has turned out. First comes the violet cake, then comes blue, green, yellow, orange and finally red cake. Now cover the cake completely with the whipped cream. There is no standard method of covering the cake with the whipped cream, so find a way which suits you. I'm just leveling the cake with the scraper. I'm not looking for sharp edges here. I'm going to give simple design using this silicone brush. This design gives extra beauty to our rainbow cake. Here comes the final touch. I am decorating the cake with the sprinkles. The beautiful rainbow cake is ready now. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes before slicing it, so that the cake sets well and doesn't fall apart while slicing. Now comes the fun part, friends. I'll be always excited to cut the rainbow cake. This is the moment of truth, how beautiful our rainbow cake has turned out. This is called beauty from inside. I wish this new year brings good health, lots of joy and colors to your life, friends. The texture of this rainbow cake is so spongy. Do try this rainbow cake at least once and share me the feedback. Wish you all happy, healthy and prosperous new year. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.